One of the most widely used web hosting services today is Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a service that allows an organization to use the power of cloud computing without having to have one's own servers. In short, instead of having a large server farm full of hardware and software, an organization can focus on their core business without having to invest any of their resources. The problem with using an organization's own servers for their hosting needs is that there are some drawbacks as well. For example, most of these servers will typically require one to buy more hardware than what is necessary for your website. This is because the web host will be the one storing all of the company's files and databases. Because of this, the size of the hardware needed by the company can sometimes be significantly larger than what is necessary. Amazon Web Services allows for organizations to get a service that is both cheaper and more effective. Like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.